And the girl Archie today, see? Couldn't stand her. Star. And what the hell?
Yo, baby. I don't see nothing wrong with a little baby high. I don't see nothing wrong. Check it out, baby. Yeah. I don't see nothing wrong with a little baby high. You have one new message. Yo, baby, what you say? Yo, hear me now? Hear me now? Yo, baby, when me come in, you go get enough love, scene. When me come in, me can't wait to smell your neck. Cause me love the smell of your neck when you have sweat and you have perfume on it. Me love it when you brace up on me too when we are asleep. I like it. I can't smell your sweaty stinking here. Yeah. Baby, just like my oven, you turn up. Like my dinner last night, you just have burn up. Cause you just act like that. You see when I looking at your eyes, I see what's in your future lies. You, me, a picnic or tree, all because you're going give me the. Oh. Yeah, me soon done, you know. But yo, baby, come here now. Come here. 2 minutes, man. Come here, come here, come here. Ready for you, you know. So baby, here what me want come over, give you a massage. So me want you take off your clothes and get ready for me, you see me. And me want rub up your neck fat and your back fat. All of them something they were fat. Your finger fat, your toe fat. All of them things they hear me. You have a fat nose to me want kiss it off. But you want a baby. And when me come in, me want you to get some cheese chicks. And let this cross your back. Cause I want to eat it off of your back. I want to yam that, you see me? To them no know. And enough seduction something this, you know. Yeah, little more, baby. End of messages.
Baby, you see all one Archie today? Get on my nerves and I want to lick her down, you know. I choose to know say I miss it, I turn a she say not. Anyway, baby, you see me choose them, you like them. New shoes, you know. Yo,
baby, give me something, you know.
Hey, look what, don't touch me.
Push me off, man. How do you?
You say you can't touch me?
Yo, you know, say it's 2 days now, you don't do nothing, girl.
What? So what?
Hey, bitch, you want to come here? Hey,
hey. You. I got my bed.
You got your bed.
You got my bed and left you out to
see you sleep all you want. Me will do my thing, you understand? Me will take care of my something.
I want to see you try, see if you not chop off your body.
Oh, yeah. Yo, if you don't look after what you have, a next woman I go do that.
Nigga, what?
Bitch, how would you butt?
Little dirty janker, boy.
Hey, that hurt you. Hey, how do you, man? Alright, baby. You ready for the enough seduction? So much seduction till it's slap way. You ready? Alright, watch ya.